Alright guys, I am pulling up Home Depot. Yes, one of my favorite tool stores. Guys, look how times have changed. When was the last time? Well, a decade ago, you never would have thought you'd be at a home improvement store to get tools to work on a car. Yes, you're aware that the place sell tools, but mechanic tools? Like I consider myself a professional mechanic. And from time to time, I'm at Home Depot getting tools to do my professional job. Okay? Go figure. So, anyway, guys, I have an announcement to make. I have exceeded, yes, me, JT, even I partake in this, in these activities. Yes, I have a buddy at work that I can go to when I need to borrow a tool from time to time, but it seems I have exceeded my 3 borrow rule. I have exceeded his 3 tool borrow rule, okay? So you know what that means? I must go purchase it. And what I'm talking about, guys, Milwaukee. Good part about it, guys, is I have the setup. All I need is the barrel tool, and what I'm talking about is a solder iron, okay? Yes, Milwaukee make a solder iron, guy. I'm gonna put some images right here. Oh my God. Now, I hadn't used this in a while. It's like, in fact, he added 2 more times I used it 3 years ago. I'm just not using it again. I'm in the market for a solder iron because mine's broke. So which better one to get than this? All right. And in fact, this ain't even the same tool. To my knowledge, I only used this, borrowed this maybe once. See, he got it confused because I wouldn't be so starstruck over it had I borrowed it before. Y'all see what I'm saying? So my point is, I want it. And I want it bad. And I looked it up on the internet. And from what I'm told, they got one in stock here. Please let it be here because I done snuck away from the job. Solder iron 2. Where is it? Whoa, when did they start doing this? What is this? Okay, Milwaukee getting carried away. Yes, guys, right here. Oh no. I know, I want a brand new one. No. This has been open. Somebody must, look at this. Shit. Shoot. Somebody open this, I guarantee you to get something out of it. Oh no, that's the only one they had. Why would you bust in here? What did they get? Guys, well, I was gonna say they got this right here, but it looked like I can see that down there. Oh no, I don't want to take a chance. Look at this, it was open. I need this bag, guys. I actually got a job at the job waiting on me to use this. I'm gonna have to take a chance. Okay, I have this on record. I'm glad I'm filming this because I have it on record now. This was open, all right? So if I ever have to bring this back because something was in here that's not in here now, they will see that this was open. And y'all, my all 20,000 subscribers of mine can see that I have proof. I am buying this brand new open. Anyway, I gotta have it. So let me get out of here before I find something else I may want to buy. And I don't want to be put in that position, guys. So let's go to checkout to handle this. All right, let's get it, guys.
Please add the Home Depot protection layer. Please add the Home Depot protection layer.
All right, guys. Yes, we in business. I got me a side job bag and a soldering gun. Okay, now I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm getting ready to do. I got a job tied up right now at work. A V62. Y'all heard of V62? That's the fuel relay. That's the fuel pump relay we installing on most of the Grand Cherokees and the Durangos, the external fuel relay. All right, this is the upgrade though. Okay, it doesn't matter. I still need a soldering gun. I don't have one. And on this particular car, I got to do it outside, okay, because the car won't start. So I want to do it outside, and I don't want to push it all the way up out a lot. But we're going to get it, guys. I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, guys, the day is winding down. Y'all see the sun setting? What a beautiful sight. All right, guys, I have y'all see what's in my hand? Relay, fuel pump relay, V62, guys. That relay is now available for those of you that are waiting or have been waiting for a very long time. I don't know if you know the history of this recall, but we were supposed to pull first of all, the fuel pump relay, guys, on these particular models was integrated into the tipper. Oh, what a bad idea. Okay, FCA determined that yes, that was a bad idea. Okay, so what was happening in the car, sometimes wouldn't start, run your battery down because the fuel pump was on all the time. A lot of problems, guys, but turned out it is a safety issue. So anything safety related, the ending results will likely be a recall. Hey, y'all see my new tool? I need that to solder. Now, I can't push this in, guys. Y'all see how much trouble it would be to push this in? And I can't jump it off because this has other problems also. But what I'm going to do is do this recall right out here. Okay, I came out here earlier trying to start it. It won't start. Not because of this, but because of other reason. But I got to knock the recall out. And what better way to do it? I can do it right here, guys. No big deal. Okay, as far as that recall go, guys, yes, remember I watched this video right here. I spoke about that. Okay, yes, we got an updated relay. What was happening was the solder joints or the solder was melting on the contacts inside the internal of the relay. The contacts, something was melting inside of the relay and ending up on the contacts, and that was causing the relay to fail.